Hi, and welcome to Virtual Learning Week, April 27th through May 1st. This week, we're going to be talking about transition. Transition is when you move on, and a lot of you guys are moving on to kindergarten. So you'll have new teachers and you'll meet new friends. You'll continue to share, wash your hands, use your listening ears, play with toys, and sit down and do your work. It's going to be great. And you guys are lifelong learners. That means you learn something new every day and you continue to learn. You're so smart and you guys can learn anything. Remember our affirmations. Some things are harder, and that's okay. You can always say, I don't know a thing, but always try to find out. You guys can do it. I believe in you. Hopefully, in a few weeks, because you guys worked so hard this year, we'll get to celebrate your accomplishment. So, when you get to kindergarten, make sure that you're still on your best behavior. You have on your thinking cap, and you guys are ready to learn and meet your new teachers and your new friends and enjoy it. School is very fun. So, this week we have a new number of the week, and that's 25. Let's count to 25. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25. We make 25 with 2 and 5. So you guys can work on that later on this week. We're talking about 3 of the hardest letters in the alphabet to write, and that is S, W, W, and Q, Qu. So we're also talking about uppercase and lowercase letters. Uppercase are the big letters. Your first name, because you're special, starts with an uppercase letter. But if you just write the word cat, and it's just a regular old cat, that C for cat would be lowercase. That's the small letter. Let me see if I can show you guys. So the uppercase letters are circled. And the lowercase letters, sometimes it comes out backwards, sorry about that, you guys, are the small ones. So mom and dad will help you work on that this week. Another thing we're going to be doing is quantifying. So that's when you take objects and you count them and you know how many there are. You know how many were the last ones. Let's see. I have how many fingers? 1, 2. How many fingers? 1, 2. So the number of objects is 2. You can use anything in your house. You can use your toys, you can use beans, whatever you've got. And I want to see you quantify. There's also an activity called Count the Cookies, and mom and dad will help you with that. So this week we're talking about sight words. We're talking about SHE says she, HE says he, BUT says but, and WILL says will. I want you guys to say the word, spell the word, write the word, and memorize it so that when you look at it, you know it. It'll help you later when you learn to read. An example, HE, he. Then you write the word, and every time you say HE says he, that'll help you to remember. HE says he. Say it again. HE says he. And that's what you'll do for all the sight words. So you're going to practice writing your name. Remember, you're special. So the first letter of your first and last name is uppercase. It's big. And the rest of the letters, unless your parents tell you that you have a special letter that needs to be capitalized or uppercase in the middle of your name, they will all be lowercase. This week, I want you guys to focus on writing the date. If you're watching on Monday, it will be April 27th, 2020. So you could do April, write out the month, 27, 2020. Or you can do 04 slash 27 slash 2020. You want to write the year, which is 2020 or 2020, out in its entirety. Your parents will help you to do this because when you go to school, you'll shortly find that your teachers want you to know the date, just like we've been talking about the calendar all these months. So I want you guys to remember that you are a lifelong learner. I want you guys to practice writing your name, practice writing your date, uppercase and lowercase, and work on those sounds. Remember S, Q, Qu, and W, W. Tuesday at 10:30, join me for the reading of a book. You'll find out that day what book it is. And I'm going to try to make this weekly. See you guys next week.